Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable automatic download multiple files on Brave browser. For this, first open Brave browser and after that click on this one triple line menu on the top right corner and scroll down to find this one settings option and then click on this one. Under Brave settings, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, you need to click on this one site and settings. After that, scroll down to find this one additional permissions and click on this one. Here you will find this one option automatic downloads. Click on this one. Here you will find two options. You can choose sites can ask to automatically download multiple files, or you can select this one option, don't allow sites to automatically download multiple files. That's all about this video. Bye.